Hey, what's up? You all know me, Jonathan Edwards. I am the Uber driver from Driverlog. Yay! So I run a production company now, which is super great. I love it. Anyway, I just wanted to, since it is 2019, I want to go over 7 tips. We're going to get right into them. 7 tips for the new year for Uber drivers. A lot of these things are things that you already know. Let me preface this with, I have been taking quite a few Ubers. I've been flying out to LA on different shoots. I've been in other cities and where I didn't have my vehicle with me. And so I've been taking Uber and Lyft and doing all that kind of stuff. And I've noticed it's almost like an epidemic. Drivers without phone mounts. This, I know, to most of you this sounds crazy, but my tip for the new year, number 1, if you're a brand new driver or if you've been driving for a while, get a phone mount. For crying out loud, there's so many mounts out there. Like, we have this magnetic phone mount. You just pop your phone on, take it off, you're good to go. And we have this other one you can see in another review. This one actually charges your phone. It's super awesome, and we're gonna go over that in another review, but tip number 1, get a phone mount. Number 2 is sunglasses. Take care of your eyes. I mean, I know it's winter. We don't have a lot of daylight hours out right now, but in the summertime, you see it a lot. Getting a good pair of polarized sunglasses, super awesome. I know it sounds, again, it sounds like a simple tip, like something that's common sense and obvious, but if you're a professional driver or a part-time professional driver, a pair of good sunglasses will do the trick. These are Shady Rays. I'm going to do a review on these for drivers. You'll see that in the link and the description, but when that review comes out. But they sent me these. They're good enough. I mean, they're cheap. They're like $45. I don't know. They are what they are. You'll see it in the review. Tip number 3, and this tip is not inexpensive at all. Get one of these. This is the Dyson V8. It's the absolute model, so it comes with all these attachments. It's freaking ridiculous. It'll save you a ton of money over going to the car wash and using quarters and popping them in there over time, because you're going to be doing that every day, spending $2 or $3 a day. Yeah, these things are awesome. And as a bonus, they will, they're meant for the house, but they also work in the car. They're super awesome. I'm actually doing a review on one of those, but that review is going to be on another YouTube channel. The link will be in the description. So the 4th tip that I want to talk about, just something that'll make you, and this is a quick one, just clean your windows. It is probably the fastest and easiest way to make your car look professional and clean and make people happy, and it improves your visibility. Yeah, just keep your windows clean. That's a simple tip. Tip number 5 is also really simple. Quit smoking. I know it sounds dumb, but I don't know. If you're a smoker, stop. You can't hide the smell. It's terrible for you, and it's super expensive. You don't get paid enough to drive and be a smoker at the same time when you're doing Uber. So quit smoking. And you might be convinced that your car doesn't smell very bad because you're good at cleaning it, blah, blah, blah. Now, people are just being polite. They hate the smell of your car when you're smoking. Just quit. Take up, if you can't quit cold turkey, vape. At least it smells good. It's still stupid, but whatever. So tip number 6 is don't worry about your ratings. Uber doesn't really care. This is something that maybe you don't know or whatever, but Uber just doesn't care about your ratings. The passengers, you can tell when somebody's pretending to be nice. The fake kindness, I like to call it waitress speak. Like, they can tell. Just be you, do your thing, get people safely from point A to point B, and don't be stupid. Like, and just don't care about your ratings. It'll make your life a hell of a lot better. And tip number 7, one of my favorites, podcasts and audiobooks will make your life on the road so much nicer. I have burned through so many data plans watching videos on YouTube and streaming movies and all that kind of stuff. And no matter how great your unlimited plan is, every one of those companies are lying to you about it being unlimited. Like once you hit 23.5 gigs on every single network, they will slow you down and it'll drive you nuts. Anyway, that's besides the point. Podcasts, audiobooks, way better. If you don't have an audiobook subscription, then check out the links. Sign up for Audible. Get a book for free. Turn your downtime into education. Could be fun. Anyway, those are the 7 tips for driving Uber in 2019. Those are my 2019 tips. 1, use a phone mount. 2, get decent sunglasses. 3, get a Dyson. They're awesome. 4, quit smoking. 5, clean your windows. 6, don't worry about your ratings. Relax and drive. And 7, download podcasts and audiobooks because they are awesome and they will kill a lot of time and make your days go by faster while driving. Anyway, this is Jonathan Edwards. I hope to see you in the next video. Talk to you later.